There are so many benefits to doing baby massage with your baby. Bonding is one of the most important things. When you bring home baby from the hospital, people assume you should be bonded with your baby, but actually so many parents report that they don't have that happen right away, because when you do massage every day with your baby, you're learning about their cues, their likes and dislikes. You're learning about your baby, and it's a nonverbal interaction, communication. Otherwise, babies can't communicate with you. So it's a really great way to get that attachment, which leads to a very happy fourth trimester, because that is one of the main reasons parents struggle. Also, physical benefits, growth. Babies were found to grow much faster when they were massaged routinely. Stress release, oxytocin. So that leads to better sleep for everyone in the family, and also digestion, circulation, and of course brain development. They actually found that babies' IQ was higher a year later than babies who were massaged. So the benefits are endless, and you can do it anytime. So here's the how, when, how much. So the basic primer baby massage. You could start at birth, but you don't have to. At birth, you can start right away. Avoid the umbilical cord area. It could get infected, especially if you're using oils. When it comes to what you want to use, avoid mineral oil, but sesame, coconut, any organic oil, always do a patch test first, and olive oil can also be irritating sometimes. How often? So you can start with 10 minutes a day, 5 minutes a day, and morning and night, and see how baby's reacting. Always avoid baby if they're fussy. So if they are not in the mood, try another time. You can do for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, build up as you go. What to avoid? Loud noises, bright lights. So dim the lights, put on soft music, and talk to your baby and sing to them. And this is a really great way for you to communicate, and also for you to relax, and because your feelings will be mirrored to your baby. You also want to cut your nails if you can, because it could scratch, and remove any jewelry, and enjoy the process. So the big question is, does my baby even like massage? So what happens is, a lot of times you try massage and baby doesn't react very well, and you give it up and you never do it again. So that is the biggest mistake, because you never know. Babies change day to day. Every hour they change. So try it in the morning, try it at night, and do it for 10 days, because that really sets up a routine. It becomes a habit, and baby learns to anticipate it. You'll also want to ask for permission. So consent is very important. You'll want to put your hands on baby's chest and say, would you like a massage? Now, baby will learn to anticipate this cue, and they'll look at you, or they'll smile, or they'll give you kind of like this feeling of acceptance. If they're turning away, or if they're scrunching their legs up to their chest, this might not be a good time, so try another time. Also, for older babies who might be too mobile, put a mirror in front of them when you're massaging their back, and give them a toy so they can be distracted. And also make sure you're not using too light of a pressure, because it can be ticklish for baby. Yes, baby massage can help your baby sleep deeper, longer, and have fewer night wakings. It's all about increasing the oxytocin and decreasing cortisol. So you'll want to start by doing a first feeding, then a bath every single night, and then the massage, because it's a routine baby will anticipate. And they actually found that babies who are massaged regularly, it's very important to make it a routine, slept better overall than babies who weren't. So here's what you have to do. You can do a full body massage, and then there are some sleep hacks that I'll show you real fast. So massaging baby's eyebrows very slowly and rhythmically. You can also use your palm, just rubbing over the baby's face. Repeat that for about 5 minutes until the baby closes their eyes. And then finally, here's another trick. You just rub your finger from their forehead to their nose. And this really lulls baby to sleep and puts them in a hypnotic state. While baby massage is so important to do on your baby in the early years, you have to continue it, because it is one of those things that really builds those connections and trust between you and your child. So I have a 8-year-old and a 13-year-old, and I still perform massage on them, because they found studies that kids who are massaged regularly, older kids and toddlers, have less anxiety, less stress, and sleep better. And it's so important for them to unwind after a long day, and their muscles to release tension, as well as drop those stress cortisol levels. So with young kids, young babies and toddlers, they're very mobile, and you'll want to give them a sensory toy to hold. And when you're massaging their backs, give them a mirror to look at, because it really helps them engage and just be a little distracted. You might also want to put on a nature show sometimes for an older child, so they can really pay attention. And again, ask them what they like, what they don't like, and how they're feeling, because now they can communicate with you. So baby gas, digestion, constipation, and reflux are some of the biggest issues for parents and babies, and it makes baby very uncomfortable. Baby's digestive tract when they're born are so immature. So it's very important to practice massage as part of your daily life to help them regulate and keep everything moving smoothly. So we're gonna start with paddle. So the paddle is just going up and down from the baby's top of the belly to their lower groin area. Then we're gonna do clockwise circles. You wanna use your fingers to go around slowly, avoiding the belly button area. Now you'll want to go into a little finger walk around their belly and then bring their legs up to their chest. Then foot reflexology. You'll want to massage this way for 2 minutes at the bottom here, right above the heel, and at the top, and then make little circles in the solar plexus. If your baby's teething, baby massage can be really, really good for them and natural, so you don't have to use over-the-counter medications. You'll want to start by massaging their head from their forehead to their chin, just to relax them, because they keep a lot of tension in their jaws when they are teething. Then you'll want to start little circles. You'll want to go right from the side all the way to their chin. Then you'll do an upside down smile, an upside down smile, and then you'll massage them from their chin to their cheeks in the same way.